Hello and welcome to Child Care Seer's Parent Orientation Series. In this video, we are going to go through the steps of successfully checking your children in and out of the center using the center kiosk, either through your 6-digit kiosk PIN or through contactless checkout. So, to use your contactless login, you will need to have your mobile phone handy, open up the camera, scan the QR code, click on the link that pops up on your screen and enter in your 6-digit kiosk PIN. You can then successfully check your child in and out on your mobile phone. If you have any unpaid services for your center, which can include late fees or tuition, and your center makes it that you have to have a zero balance to check your child in, you can do so from your mobile phone there, or you will get a message that says you need to see the front desk. For this video, we are going to go through and use our 6-digit kiosk PIN. This PIN is just for you to use. Please do not share it with any other family members, as when you enter your PIN into the kiosk, it does timestamp and log the adult checking the child in and checking the child out of the center. So for security purposes, all emergency contacts and authorized pickups will have their own code to use for this system. Once you enter your 6-digit PIN, hit proceed. You will see that Emily has a $100 balance on her account. My center makes us pay this before checking in, so I am going to select pay. I'm going to see that it is for a registration fee, so I will hit pay. I will select my payment options that are available to me, so I'm going to use my card. I have a card on file, so I will select that card, and then I will hit pay. Once this processes, it'll be automatically updated, and I will be able to check Emily in. We'll hit OK. And as you can see, the checkup screen pops up. This does time out after a short amount of time, about 30 seconds, so please make sure that you do this in a timely fashion so you do not have to go through the steps again. I will see that they were checked in with the timestamp. I will hit OK, and then I will hit finish. And now my children are successfully checked into the center. We are going to do a fast forward virtual of me now picking them up, which again, we will go through. We will use our 6-digit PIN. I am going to click check all out. Now, if I needed to check out one at a time, you can do so here by just selecting the child you want to check out. But for this purpose, we are going to check out all eligible children. Again, another timestamp, and we will hit OK and finish. And that's all the steps to checking your child in and out on the kiosk. If you have any trouble and need to know where to find your kiosk PIN, you can check here. Also, you can view our videos on accessing and using the mobile app as well as the desktop version of Child Care Seer, where it will go through and show you how to access your kiosk PIN. We thank you for being a part of the Child Care Seer family, and we'll see you in the next video.